The Triple Track Bypass Kit allows you to mount 3 doors on 3 tracks, while allowing all 3 doors to stack flush on top of each other when in the open position. Each door is on its own track, so all 3 doors move independently of each other. The doors open to either the left or the right-hand side of the doorway. The middle and outside tracks are mounted to the bypass brackets. The middle door hangs off the back of the track. Adjustable door stops allow you to set the range of motion for each door. The doors are kept from swaying with the use of floor-mounted guides that can either act as a fin-style or a cradle-style guide. For the recommended door width, take the width of your opening, divide it by 3, and add 4 inches. That is the recommended width for each door. Your doors should be at least the same height as the height of the doorway. The doors sit 1/2 inch off the floor when mounted to the track. The Triple Track Bypass Kit is an excellent option for wide doorways that require maximum access to the entryway. If you have any questions, reach out to us today.